What's up? Welcome to Brick House Garage. We're going to do a tool review video, some essentials I got in my toolboxes. So, I mean, I have tons of tools, but these are tools that really are worth like best bang for your buck. So, we got the Milwaukee M12 volt 4-piece set. You can buy these on online. You can check Home Depot's website. Sometimes they have killer deals on them. I bought it for 200 bucks. I ended up buying 2 sets because I love these ratchets. The 3/8 ratchet is really good. If you buy just the ratchet itself, it's about 200 bucks. So I use these all day, every day. You also get a drill, an impact driver, and a sawzall with that set. But can't say enough good things about that set. Next up, we got some ratchets. So these are extendable ratchets. You can get these at Harbor Freight for I think $20, but I use this thing all day, every day. It's a 1/2-inch drive, and you can pretty much break anything loose with that. If you can't break it loose with that, this Milwaukee 18-volt impact fuel is one of the best tools in my toolbox. I've never had a bolt that thing won't take off with a full charge battery. Just be careful when you're putting bolts in, because you can just shear them right off if you go nuts. Once you start hearing it impacting, just back off, use your torque wrench. We also have a multi-angled stubby 3/8 ratchet. This is a Cobalt. I love Cobalt tools. They're a great entry-level tool. Pretty much you should always buy an entry-level tool and see how much you use it before you dive deep and buy a ton of them. I mean, if you were to go buy the Harbor Freight one of these, it's about 100 bucks. And if you realize you use it all the time, I would definitely get this. This is 1,000 times better. It's going to last you forever. Anytime it gets dirty, I literally just spray some brake clean on it and wipe it off, and it's good to go. All right, we also got these bendable extensions. They flex really well. They're great for getting in little tiny tight spots, especially on like 1/4-inch drive. Sometimes you can't get your whole, like with this you can pretty much get in there, but say you're using a regular drill or just a ratchet and it's back up in a corner somewhere where the angle's just horrible. These work great. I haven't broken one yet, and I use them with this ratchet, and I've had no issues. I've also used them with drills. My buddy is all about his DeWalt impact driver, and he uses that thing for everything. He uses these guys and pretty much tears cars down in like half an hour. So those are a couple basic must-haves for your garage. This Yukon 46-inch mobile workbench is about 200 bucks at Harbor Freight. It's a really good buy. The next one up, they just released one that has drawers instead of the doors in the front. It's about 60 bucks more, so if you really need it for storage, I mostly use this to just keep consumables in, like jugs of car cleaner and stuff like that, just to kind of get it out of the way. But it's also a good buy. It's got a really thin top on it, but I mean, for what it is, you can't beat the price. 200 bucks. It's worth its weight in gold. These little guys right here, this is what I use for my impact station. It opens up like this. It's great because I just put my impact gun down in there. I got a bunch of adapters in there. In the drawers, this is metric, and then this is standard. But I got that with a coupon at Northern Tool for 100 bucks. So we'll go over that part in detail later. It's a good setup that I think every shop should have, especially if you're doing suspension. Because anything with suspension, you need impact, and you need a 1/2-inch drive everything. All right, that's it for today. Thanks again for tuning in to Brick House Garage, and I'll see you on the next clip.